Hi everyone, I'm M.Yogadharani, working as Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. In previous videos, we saw about IoT enabling technologies in wireless sensor networks, cloud computing, and in this video, we are going to see about big data analytics in IoT enabling technologies. Before that, what is big data? Big data is high volume, high velocity, and high variety information assets that demand cost effective, innovative form of information processing for enhanced insight and decision making. So, big data is a term applied to data set whose size or type is beyond the ability of traditional relational database to capture, manage, and process the data with low latency. And also, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from new data sources. So these data sets are so voluminous that traditional data processing of software just can't manage them. So source of big data. This data comes from wide variety of sources. Sensor used to gather climate information, post to social media sites, digital pictures and videos, purchase transaction records and cell phone GPS signals, and to name a few. So artificial intelligence, mobile, social media and IoT are driving data complexity through new forms and source of data. For example, big data comes from sensors, devices, audio or video networks, log files, transactional applications, web and social media, much of it generated in real time and at a very large scale. Here application of big data are healthcare, banking, stock market, education, manufacturing, e-commerce, IT, government and social media. And types of big data are structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. So in structured data, it wants a dedicated data model. It also have a well-defined structure. It follows a consistent order and it is designed in such a way that it can be easily accessed and used by a person or a computer. Structured data is usually stored in well-defined columns and databases. Structured schema, tables with rows and columns of data, example DBMS and RDBMS. So semi-structured data, it is considered as another form of structured data. It inherits few properties from structured data, but major part of this kind of data failure to have a definitive structure, and also it does not obey the formal structure of data models such as RDBMS. Here schema is not defined properly. XML like CSV files and RSS. Example, transactional history file, log file, etc. And unstructured data is a complete different of which neither has a structure nor obey to follow formal structure rules of data models. It does not even have a consistent format and it found to be varying all the time. But rarely it has information related to data and time. And these data are heterogeneous data like text files, images, videos and audios. And big data characteristics such as it has a three development of big data and related term that we use three V's such as volume, variety and velocity. It increased 3 V's into 5 V's and still evolving. Volume, variety, velocity and value. And volume refers to the unimaginable amount of information generated every second. This information comes from a variety of sources like social media, cell phones, sensors, financial records and stock markets, etc. And variety refers to the many type of data that are available. A reason for rapid growth of data volume is that it coming from different sources in various format. And big data extend beyond structured data into included unstructured data of all varieties. Example, text, sensor data, audio, video, click streams, and more. The variety of data is categorized as follows, that is structured, semi-structured, and structured. And velocity is the fastest rate at which data is received and acted on. And in other words, it is the speed at which the data is generated and processed to meet the demand and challenges that lie in the path of growth deployment. And veracity. And data veracity is how accurate or truthful a data set may be. When it comes to the accuracy of big data, it is not just the quality of the data itself, but how trustworthy the data source, type, and processing of it. The data quality of captured data can vary greatly, affecting the accurate analysis. And the last one is value. Value is the major issue that we need to concentrate on. Mining the data, that is a process to turn raw data into useful data. And big data analytics such as business intelligence, improved performance, non-database applications, data mining, and analytical applications. Thank you. In next time, we are going to see about communication protocols. Thank you.